Hello beautiful devs, welcome back, and in this video we are going to install our theme to our website. So the theme we have chosen is Solidate, which is very nice theme for newspaper and blog type website. And here you can see that we can go to the live preview of this theme, and here you can see that we have certain demos. And why I'm opening these demos, because the demo which we will we will implement that demo, and I will just choose some of the demos which I like most. So okay, this one is this is for shopping website, and this theme is actually very nice for shopping websites and newspaper, blog, magazines type websites as well. So we have a lot of demos here which we can actually install, and I think let's see this one as well, game news. Okay, and I think that's it. That themes which I have selected are most appealing, much more appealing than these list. We have very big list over here. Okay, we will choose from these 5 themes. Okay, so this is the first demo. Yeah, logo is in the middle, and the menu is good. Search bar is also fine. Okay, but I didn't like the first this upper look. I don't like it. Yeah, this one, I think that's beautiful. Yeah, this one is good. The menu is also fine. The logo is on the top, and the search is also fine. And the news, the category section, education, word politics, and ads are also implemented good. And the footer is also like this, but I usually like the black footer. Okay, let's see the another one. This is another style, and yeah, this one is also good, but I don't like it too much. Okay, this one, okay, this is not also very nice. And this one is for gaming type news blog, but the categories are really nice, and the bottom menu is also fine. I think this is good, but I didn't like the footer. Okay, I will check some couple of more templates, and finally I will just finalize. Okay, so finally I like this theme. This theme is very nice. It has the slider as well, here you can see, and also the displaying of categories is very nice. You can see movies, and like this we can choose the relevant categories, and beautiful health news, and you can see the sections are also very nicely displayed. And finally the footer, which I personally like the black footer. So this theme I personally liked it, and also the menu Here you can see the menu. If we roll out, you can see menu stays here, so which is very nice thing. And if we go to the mobile view, you can see mobile view is also very nice. The menus, and in mobile it's so very nice and mobile friendly as well. So that's done. This theme, I personally like this theme, and we will implement this theme hopefully, which the name of the theme is 24H News Magazine. So let's install the theme. So let's see how we'll do that. So I'll go to the appearance and definitely in themes, and we will click on add new, and we will upload the theme. But before that, you will see that how we will get the theme files. So when you will install the theme, you will get this zip file. Okay, zip file. So let's extract this zip file first of all to check out what it is. And now we will in the folder, and here you can see that we have certain folders here like customizer, data, documentation, where we will find out the documentation as well. Okay, and you can just check out the documentation as well. And then we will have the licensing plugins. Okay, some plugins are here. If we found any issue with the online plugin installation, we will upload these plugins. And the solid.zip, the main template file, main theme file is there, and then this is a child theme file. Okay, so this is the theme file which we want to upload. But here you can see that this theme file is around around 10 MB bigger. Okay, so usually you can't upload the bigger files than 2 MB. Otherwise, if you will enable that in PHP settings, then you will be able to upload. But we can't upload it manually by clicking here upload theme, and let's select it, and I will show you so that you will analyze. So let's go to WordPress, solid.add, and this is the file, theme file. So let's open it and install now. You followed as expired, because the thing is that it has a bigger size, so we can't upload this like this. Okay, so we have another option that how we can add this theme. So right click, copy this theme, and go to the C drive, and we have WAMP, and we have www folder, and Passpon TV, and these are the WordPress files which we have installed, and this is our website back end files. Okay, which are here in www folder. So here if we go to the WP content section, you will see we have the themes here. Okay, and these are the themes which are already installed. So here we will put our new theme, so paste it, and now we will just extract this theme. So let's go to 7-zip, and I will just do extract to solid.add. So let's wait for some seconds, and okay, so now we can delete the zip file. We have this theme, okay, right away here. So now that's great. Now we will just go back and we will refresh it, the theme sections, and we will find solid.add here. Okay, so actually okay, again I will just click on themes, and here you can see solid.add, and now we can just click on activate, and that's it, our theme will be installed. So whenever we install certain theme, you will find certain properties. I will just go to the main menu and main thing, and you can see the theme is changed now, and solid ad theme is there. And now we will do certain more things to install this theme. Let's see. At this stage, whenever you will install a new template, new theme, you have to install the relevant plugins. So at this page we can click on install plugins, or you can directly go to the plugin section, whatever you want. So, and I will just click here, and you can see that here we need to install we have to install these plugins. So select all. I just selected all plugins, install and apply. And now it will take some time to install the relevant plugins, and you can see 2 of 11s are installed, 3 of 11, and it will take some time to install all the plugins, and we will resume the video. Okay, so now all the plugins are installed, and we will just return back to the plugins area, and here we will select all the plugins, and indeed all plugins are no plugins to install. Okay, no issue. And actually I want to activate that plugins. I think that plugins are already activated as well, I think so. So that's great. And now we can go to the welcome page and install plugin, import demo data optional, and customize the theme. Okay, so now the step is to import the demo data. So we will just click on import demo data, and here is the message note if you doesn't have all post. Okay, import, no problem. And we have these demos. So we have choose the demo 24 news. So let's find out that template, that theme, where it is. 24 news, where it is. Okay, I think we should search maybe. Yeah, okay, let's search it. So here I will search 24, and yeah, here it is, 24 H news and magazine. So we will click here, import demo data and import demo content as well, and click on import, and okay. And to get started with the MailChimp, imported camera, and okay, so it is importing actually. So we will take some we'll wait for some seconds, and then we will resume the video. Okay, so now the import is completed, and let's see what is going on our website. So let's click open visit website, and let's see what is the result. Hopefully the template will be installed hopefully accordingly. So let's wait for some seconds. First time it will take some time, but then it will not take any time. And yeah, that's beautiful. Everything is installed with menus, with everything. The search is there, and the slider is also working, and that is the beauty. So this is the beauty of Solidate, which I personally like this theme. So everything is installed, and our template is fully available. In next video we will move further, and we will customize things, and we will manage our website in a style, hopefully. Goodbye.